Hello, I'm Alex and I'm a student at Nature. Today I'm going to talk about the periods at Nature. At Nature there are 3 different days of school: blue days, green days, and yellow days. But normal classes have A and B periods. Each period has 40 minutes. For example, look at my history class. You can see I have history in period 5A and 5B. But some classes have A, B, and C periods. The extra period is time for lunch. You might have lunch time first or in the middle or at the end of the lunch period. For example, look at my geometry in period 2. We study in 2A and then I have lunch time in period 2B. But in period 2C, I come back to my geometry class. Now I'm going to talk about some school rules for classes and breaks. During class time, the rule is you can't have your phone in your backpack or pocket. You have to put your phone in the phone case. But if you need help with something, you're allowed to use your iPad just when you need it, not always. After the 8 periods over, Nature gives us 5 minutes to have a break. In 5 minutes, you can go to the bathroom. You can also talk to your friends or use your phone. Now I'm going to talk about lunch times at Nature. Each day we have our lunch at different times because we also have different classes every day. That's why our lunch is different as well. Nature also has late start days, not very often though. On blue days, which are on Monday and Thursday, the lunchtime is 2A, 2B, and 2C. It's depending on your individual class schedule. And on green days, which are on Tuesday and Friday, lunchtime can be during period 6A, 6B, and 6C. And the last day is Anchor Day or Yellow Day. On Anchor Days, we have our lunchtime in period 4A or 4B. But we have Anchor Days on Wednesday only. The late starts can be only on green days and on blue days. Just look at this schedule. It shows what time school starts on late starts. On these days, our school starts 3 hours later, so you have time to sleep 3 more hours. Nature also has an app. You can get the Nature blog app from self-service if it is not already on your iPad. This app helps us to see our schedules at Nature. So here is where we see our periods. It also tells us when we don't have school, so you don't need to ask any teacher if we have school or we don't. And as you see, you can also have the app on your screen so it is easier to use it. I know it can be complicated, but I hope you guys understand and like my videos so you can learn more about our school.